Soon after Bill Chant about Zion roots. Don't know.
Nah, done by the riverside, yeah, man. Me trod so long through rain and sun. Each step a battle, each fight hard won. Through valley deep and mountain high, Jahanda guide me spirit fly. Me cross the river, me face the storm, but love keep me heart warm. Now me see the golden light, Zion gates just come inside. Open the gates of Zion wide, let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind, leave the hate and fear behind.
Be in the gates of Zion wide, let the righteous step inside. Sing this song for all mankind, leave the hate and fear behind.
Me hear the trumpet start to play, announce the dawn of brighter day. The people gather young and old, every story now retold. We lay we burdens at the door, pick up joy forevermore. Zion call like mother's song, calling we where we belong. Me see the garden lush and green, peaceful as me ever seen. River run with healing flow, tree of life in center grow. Every fruit a taste of grace, every soul in perfect place. No chain, no prison, no divide, only truth and love abide. Me meet the elders pon the hill, them tell me child keep treading still. The journey long but worth the pain, for every seed bring righteous gain. We sit and reason through the night, under moon and holy light. Them say Zion gates never close, for heart that pure and spirit knows.
Step inside, children, step inside. No more run, no more hide. Leave Babylon dust and road. Come trudge your righteous code. Lift your voice and lift your hand. Give thanks for the promised land. Every beat of the drum declare Zion love for all who care.
Call the name, shout it loud, Zion stand above the cloud. The choir rise, the voices blend, song of life that never end. Each note a blessing, pure and strong, every soul sing along. Me feel me tears, but them sweet, like water at your feet. Zion gates swing open wide, Jah light pour like morning tide. Me see the children run and play, bright like sunrise every day. No hunger here, no war, no cry, just promise fill the sky. We share the bread, we share the wine, we walk the path so divine. Drums still beat, heart still warm, Zion peace, the perfect form. When nightfall come, no darkness near, for Jah light shine crystal clear. We rest beneath the holy tree, tell Jah thanks fi set we free. Me close me eyes and hear the sound of love and joy all around. And when me wake, me still inside, Zion gates forever wide. Open the gates of Zion wide,
We step in
with Zion music, yeah man. Before the sun peek over hill, me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy sound. Tell the world feel right the round. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder upon the stone. Chant and reason bout your throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon, chain can bind. Zion well in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingy drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise just sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell this story naturally. No man can dim your light. Morning push away the night. The clearing where people meet, sharing fruit and bread so sweet. Children dance in the morning rain. No worry, just pure play. Me pass the herb from hand to hand. One love circle on the land. Morning time me feel so blessed. Zion spirit make me rest. Before the noon me lift me song. We keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we make. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Morning in a Zion breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Morning in a Zion pure and bright. Guide we through the day and night.
Zion Raga, yeah man.
From early dawn me hear the sound. Naya Bingy drum on sacred ground. It called the people far and near. Together with no hate, no fear. The heart did rhythm, deep and slow. Teach me things me need to know. Every tap a message clear. Freedom time drawing near. Drumbeat for freedom, echo loud. Lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command. Jah deliver the promised land. the truth in the land. Drumbeat calling I'm a bone. Tell me Zion is me home. We chant for justice, chant for peace, chant until the change release. We burn the lies, we plant the seed, we heal the heart from Babylon greed. The smoke rise up, the air gets sweet. Freedom fire, warm with feet. We know that time will come soon, under the sun and silver moon. Me trod through town with drum and back. No fear, me nah lose track. Me knock the skin, the people sway. All them troubles fade away. Me hear a child ask him pa, who give we drum, who give we la. Him smile and say from long ago, drumbeat guide we way to grow. Knock the drum, let Babylon shake. Tell the truth, them can't fake. Each beat a sword, each tone a shield, each word a seed in Jah field. Freedom come when we unite. Stand up strong, chant the right. From the hills to sea to town, drumbeat tear oppression down. Nightfall come, firelight blaze. People dance in righteous ways. No weapon here, just urban song. Healing vibes all night long. Drum still knock like heart inside. Show the path, Jah be we guide. No man can silence this sound. Freedom drum forever pound. Before the dawn, me rest me hand, but drum still echo across the land. It carry story, carry name, carry love through joy and pain. So when you hear that thunder roll, know it speak to every soul. Drum beat for freedom, never cease. It chant for love, it chant for peace. Drum beat for freedom, echo loud. Lift up the humble, shake the proud. One vibration, one command. Jah deliver the promised land. Drum beat for freedom, true and strong. Lead we home where we belong. Aye, aye, aye. Zion, play the music, yeah man. Oh aye. Underneath the coconut tree, me sit and reason with the breeze. Herb in a chalice spark the flame. Me call upon Jah holy name. The birds them fly in a sacred dance. Me eyes closed, me spirit in trance. Me no need no riches nor gold, just shoots me heart forever old. Me take me steps on sacred ground. Every footstep make a conscious sound. Me soul wash clean by river water. Me chant down lies for the sons and daughters. From the hills of Zion to sea so blue. Me live one life and that life true. Me temple now built from Babylon stone. Me mind and heart, that's Jah throne. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worries way. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta Me praise the Most High with every hand. No poison in a me plate, only ital vibes me cultivate. Me woman strong, me children wise. We teach them truth, not dealing lies. The system can't trap me mind. Me meditate and realign. Me light me spliff in meditation. Me chant for deep liberation. From Babylon chains me break free. Now me soul float like leaf pan tree. The rhythm guide me like compass star. Me heart beat deep like Naya drum afar. Jah love deeper than ocean tide. In him presence me abide. Walk with I on the Rasta way, where ganja smoke rise and worry sway. The drums them talk, the spirit rise. Me find Jah light behind me eyes. Peace and fire, truth and flame. Every Rasta walk in Jah name. No more hate, no more shame. Only love on the sacred flame. Example, like the prophets from the temple. Me carry love like staff in a hand, fi uplift people in every land. Me nah follow no wicked trend. Me build, me reason, me defend. Every day a chance fi grow. Me listen to Jah and let love flow. So when me journey reach the end, me know me walk with truth as friend. Me spirit rise like morning sun, cause Rasta mission never done. Me voice will echo through wind and trees, still chanting song fi set souls free. On this path of sacred flame, me live and die in Jah name.
Zion reggae and meditate, yeah man.
Evening light paint the sky in gold. Me sit on the hill, watch the story unfold. Spliffing on me hand, heart in a trance. Naya bingy rhythm, the soul start dance. Ganja cloud curl like ancient prayer. Calling on Jah, no say him near. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Just the fire, the herbs, and Jah holy name. Rhythm beat like heartbeat steady. My soul clean, my spirit ready. Babylon try and chain my thoughts, but Rasta free in every step me walk. Them build walls, me build bridges. Them love war, me chant peace for the children. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. A future of love, me see it near. Evening smoke, rise high. Lift me soul to just sky. Drumbeat carry me far. Past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me whisper all the things me know. Me no need no screen, fi see light. The fire inside keep me vibes bright. Me cook, I tell, live, I tell, think, I tell too. Me life for him, me words them true. Every puff a meditation, every beat a soul salvation. Fire blaze but me heart stay cool. Jah teach me love, me learn the rule. Rasta no bend, Rasta no break. Me rise up early for conscience sake. Me no need no church for reach him gate. Me pray in silence, me no tempt fate. All me need is the earth and sky, and a drum beat strong when me spirit cry. Evening smoke, rise high, lift me soul to just sky. Drum beat carry me far, past the pain, past the scar. Rasta chant under the sun, till the moon rise and Babylon done. Me meditate on Zion grown, where roots run deep and truth is found. You them lost in a denies and take, them forget say life a deeper step. But when me drop rhythm and light that flame, me remind them of Jah holy name. Rasta na preach, feel like sun fame. Me chant for the ones who feel the pain. Me bring them herbs, me bring them hope. Me show them, oh, Rasta cope. So me drift in the night, so cool, so clear. The stars them whisper, no need for fear. Me close me eye, me still can see the path of love, just said for me. Me chant me psalm in peaceful tone, with ganja breath in a flesh and bone. Me not chase crowd, me not chase gold. Me chase the spirit that never old. Evening fade but the light remain. Inna the smoke me heal the pain. Every beat, every herb, every word me sing. I praise to Jah, to everything. So when the youth them light them fire, me up me song, lift them higher. Me story echo in every drum, till all the children know where them from. Na Zion reggae, I meditate, yeah man. Jamaica, Jamaica, Kingston, pushing out the paper. Me walk on earth like ancient tree, roots deep down in history. Me crown lock up, me spirit free. Me face the sun, me bend for breeze. Me eyes not blind, me sight not dim. Me drink the herb, me sing a hymn. Mountains whisper, rivers talk. Me soul awaken when me walk. Me not in a rush, me take me time. Every moment is Jah design. Me light the chalice, inhale peace, exhale worries, let trouble cease. Me hear the call of ancestors, them guide me through the stormy waters. Me chant in the early dawn, meditate till Babylon gone. Me grow like tree in the wind, me nah break, me nah bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I test. Me live the truth and live the rest. man, who ital stew. Me give thanks for all we do. No concrete, no flashing light, just moon and firelight in a night. Me children learn from earth and sky. Them know Jah love will never die. Ganja smoke rise like holy steam. Open up me soul fi dream. Me float above the world below. Me see what most will never know. Truth nah live in a headline. It dwell in heart, an ancient sign. Me reason with me elders wise. Them teach me how to recognize. Me grow like tree in the wind. Me nah break, me nah bend. Roots hold strong from deep within. Me rise again and again. Me praise Jah with every breath. Me fear not shadow, me fear not death. Life is sacred, time I taste. Me live for truth and leave the rest. Me no look on man and judge. Me no walk with grudge. Me build bridge, me plant seed, me water tree, me do good deed. Love are the only real law, the only one me ever saw. Me not carry no vanity, just a bag full of humility. So when breeze blow and leaves are fall, me still hear just silent call. Me spirit dance like burning flame. Me know who I am, me know me name. Rasta live, Rasta lead. Me heart clean, me soul a feed. Me path simple, me steps true. And Jah guide me in all me do.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man.
Me climb the hill before the day. Me still dance and clouds still play. The drum of earth beating on me chest. Me feel Jah calling from the crest. Each step higher, me sight more wide. Babylon fade when Jah reside. Me reach the peak, me lift me and give thanks to life and Jah creation grand.
Mountain chant, my spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within.
Me see the river snake below, flowing truth where all man know. The trees them sway in a sacred time. Every branch speaking holy rhyme. Me nah need gold, me nah need crown. Just the hills way pull me down. Me breathe the air so clean, so free. Zion gift for me family. Me trod with brethren by me side. Each a warrior humble in pride. We carry drum and carry flame. Fi chant and praise Jah holy name. We set up camp where breeze blows strong. We reason deep till the night is long. Me feel Jah power in every tone. Each heartbeat drum for him alone. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Step by step me trot fi high. No turning back, no asking why. The chalice burn, the heart a pure. Each breath me take me over cure. Me hold the faith, me hold the ground. Each chant echo mountain sound. No man can buy the view me see. It's Jah creation set me free. Irie wind blow inna me dread. Pure meditation fill me head. From dawn till dark me nah retreat. Me keep me trot to just seat. Morning come and sunlight break. Bird a sing and earth awake. Me pick some herb from mountainside. Herbal blessing Jah provide. Me sip me tea and give thanks more. Fi healthy love, fi open door. And when me step back down again, me carry mountain inna me brain. Mountain chant, me spirit rise. Prayer fly up to the skies. Lion roar inna the wind. Zion call me from within. Mountain chant till the morning dew. Zion path me always true.
Yeah, man, lemon hash in a big pocket. Me light the fire, me chant the sound, me blaze the herb, me free from the ground, me rise to the top, me feel the light, me smoke the green, me feel the height, me chant for the rhythm, me chant for the soul, me live for the herb, me make it whole, me pass the chalice, me pass the joy, me spread the love, me live for the boy, roots and culture, me rise through the night, me smoke the ganja, me feel the light, me blaze the herb, me chant this town, me live for the herb, me pass it round. Me roll this spliff, me light the flame, me move through the night, me chant the name, me blaze the green, me feel the vibe, me rise through the smoke, me stay alive, me chant for the peace, me chant for the love, me rise to the heavens, me rise above, me pass the chalice, me pass the flame, me live the herb, me call the name, roots and culture, me rise through the night, me smoke the ganja, me feel the light, me blaze the herb, me chant this town, me live the herb, me pass it round. Me step in at the circle, me rising at the sound, me chant for the herb, me free from the ground, me light the fire, me feel the blaze, me smoke the ganja, me rise in a phase, me pass the chalice, me feel the heat, me blaze the green, me move the feet, me chant the rhythm, me live the way, me rise rise through the night, me pass the day. Roots and culture, me rise through the night. Me smoke the ganja, me feel the light. Me blaze the herb, me chant the sound. Me lift the herb, me pass it round. Me light the herb, me rising at the flow. Me chant the rhythm, me let it show. Me pass the chalice, me rise to the sky. Me lift the herb, me free from the light. When the darkness falls, Jah light me way, guide me steps from night to day. The mountains high, the rivers wide, Jah spirit in a me heart reside. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. In the valley of struggle, me heart beats strong. Jah wisdom guide me through the Babylon wrong. The youth them cry out, lost in despair. Jah say rise up, Rasta feed them care. Me step with me drum, the chant a echo loud. Fi free the people, fi lift them proud. The herb blaze high, the meditation pure. With just guidance, me soul feel secure. Me see the vision in the smoke that rise. A kingdom of peace under just skies. No chains can hold me, my spirit soar. The gates of Zion me forever adore. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. Shine the light, Jah, make the way bright. Through the trials of life, make me soul take flight. From Kingston streets to Zion's hills, Jah love protect me, Jah strength fulfill. The youth them gather, the fire ignite. We fight Babylon with Jah's holy light. Each chant a prayer, each beat a call. Selassie I lead us, we never fall. The world a chaotic, but Jah truth stay. In Jah we trust, the righteous way. Through Jah wisdom, the chains them break. The strength of the lion make the earth shake. Shine forever, Jah me guiding sun. Till the battle is over and Zion won. With each new dawn, Jah spirit align. With eternal flame of Jah light fi shine. The vibe so sweet. Reggae music, it move your feet. From Kingston town to foreign land, the rhythm strong, the message stand. Me remember days of struggle, fight. Them never want see truth and light. Them fight against reggae, fight against love. But Jah watch over from high above. The ghetto youth, them need a way. So me sing for hope, me sing for stay. We rise up strong, we break the chain. We chant the truth, we heal the pain. Roots and culture, the heartbeat strong. Reggae music, it carry on. Truth and love in every song. Me stand on righteousness, me can't go wrong. Roots and culture, the fire still bright. Burning strong through day and night. We chant for freedom, chant for love. Guidance rain from high above. The elders teach, the youth must learn. They keep the fire, make it burn. Me nah bow down to Babylon lies. The wicked plan, me nah compromise. We tell the people, hold them faith. Jah time a come, it never late. So sing the songs of love and peace. Make righteousness never cease. Me walk the road of kings and queens. Me hold the wisdom, know what it means. From trench town days to uptown heights, reggae shine like golden lights. The ancestors paved the way for we. Me feel the rhythm, me spirit free. The message pure, the heart still strong. Me sing the song for all who long. We plant the seed, the tree grow tall. Roots and culture stand for all. From the hills to the ocean deep, reggae play and the people weep. Tears of joy, tears of pain. Music heal them once again. We not stop, we never pause. We chant for righteousness cause. So me chant it high.
Jah light the way, Jah break the pain. Freedom rise, the fire sustain. Me chant for the truth, Jah love remain. Freedom chant, the spirit so strong. Herb in a me hand, me fight Babylon. Me rise with the sun, me sing Jah song. Freedom chant, Jah vibes live long. From the valley low to the mountain peak, Jah show me the path where the humble seek. The herb in my soul, the chalice speak. Me chant for the voiceless, the weary and weak. The system them build can't hold we down. The chains them broke, Jah make the sound. With the herb in the fire, Jah blessings abound. Freedom chant, Jah truth profound. Them take the ganja, them call it crime. But Jah plant the seed for the ancient time. The herb heal the body, the spirit climb. Me chant for the freedom in every rhyme. Freedom chant, the spirit so strong. Herb in me hand, me fight Babylon. Me rise with the sun, me sing Jah song. Freedom chant, Jah vibes live long. Them chain the body, but Jah free the soul. The herb make me whole, Jah love console. Me chanting at the darkness, Jah make me bold. Freedom rise, the story told. The drumbeat call, the people unite. The herb in a me chalice, the spark ignite. Me chant for the love, me chant for the right. The truth of Jah shine bright like light. Babylon can't stand, Jah power this time. The herb open eyes, Jah a just sign. Freedom chant for the world divine. Oh, Jah guide me steps, Jah light me way. Me chant for the people night and day. The herb in me heart, me spirit stay. Freedom chant, Jah love me pray. Freedom chant, the spirit so strong. Herb in me hand, me fight Babylon. Me rise with the sun, me sing Jah song. Freedom chant, Jah vibes live long. The Lion of Zion roaring at the breeze. Him tell me fi stand firm, no bow please. Me chant for the people, Jah justice release. Freedom rise, Jah make the peace. The herb light the fire, the flames them grow. The truth of Jah make the people know. The blessings of Zion make the spirit flow. Freedom chant, Jah vibes we show. Me see the youth them rise with the herb in a Zion a go, Zion ya. Kingston, skunk smoke. Yeah man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. Inna the streets, where the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but Jah light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith inna me heart, Jah love me seal. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jah ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand. The power of the Lion, the Almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me nah shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. Inna this life, me nah feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon nah stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The Lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. Inna the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop how. The Lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb and the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herb body healer, make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah Lion in a we, make the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the Lion roar. Rasta vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah inna me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb inna the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever Lion strong, we keep it clean.
Me fight for the truth, me nah bow down. Them can't stop we are hold the crown. Revolution, Inna the word me speak, the power of the people, the strong not weak. Them want silence we, but we chant it loud. We are rise up strong, we are move the crowd. From the ghetto lane to the highest hill, we chant for justice, we chant for will. The fire burn, the battle long, but we not stop till Babylon gone. Me see the system, me see the lies. Them want we blind, them want we ties. But me know the truth, me stand up tall. We nah go stumble, we nah go fall. We are freedom fighters, stand up strong. Revolution in a song, chant it long. The system a crumble, we break the chain. Babylon fall, righteousness reign. Them lock we up, them lock we down. Them treat we bad, them want we drown. But we have to rise, we have to win. We chant your name, we feel within. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. The poor man cry, but him rise again. We not give up, we not lose faith. The victory close, can't come too late. From Marcus Garvey to the prophet's word, we chant it high, make sure it heard. Them take we land, them take we soul. Them try to control, but we still hold. We know the truth, we know we pass. We know say righteousness always last. The fire burn, we a blaze the trail. We not go fail, we not turn frail. Jah give we the strength to rise and lead. We plant the future like righteous seed. Me see the warriors pon the front line. Them ready for battle, them hold the sign. The elders guide, the youth them learn. The wisdom pass, the fire burn. Them try to stop we, them try to stall. But the people rise, them break the wall. We chant it loud, we make it known. The revolution, a set in stone. Me tell the ghetto youths, don't lose hope. Even when the system want you cope. The future bright, the road might long, but hold the faith, you have to strong. We fight with wisdom, we fight with love. We fight for truth, from Jah above. Me say rise up, fight for the way. The system fall, but we can't delay. We there for justice, we there for peace. Freedom fighters, we never cease.
Zion echoes, aye, aye, aye. Me rise from the dust, me rise from the pain. Herb in my system, it make me maintain. Rasta man stand tall, me never complain. Me rise with the fire, the light in my brain. Me burn the OG kush for the vibes it bring. Me chant for the ancestors, me chant for the king. Babylon can't take my soul and my bling. Me rise like the sun, me let the truth sing. Me nah follow the system, me nah follow the trend. Me choose your ways, me no pretend. Me stand firm, me nah bend. Rasta rise high from the start to the end. Me light the chalice, me puff the herb. Me nah sell my soul for Babylon's curb. Herb make me wise, herb make me superb. Me rise from the fire, me rise from the curve. Rasta rising, for Jah we stay. Herb inna the ear, the truth on display. Me chant the fire, me chant the way. Rasta rising, for Jah we pray. Me sip the tea, me sip the herb. Me rise from the valley, me stay reserved. Me chant for the most time, my soul unnerved. The ganja in my heart, it make me serve. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the streets. The herb in my hand, the fire so sweet. Me chant for the healing, me chant for the beat. Rasta man rise, me no need defeat. Me meditate deep, me feel the sound. Herb in my chest, my feet on the ground. Me rise like the lion, me rise from the pound. Rasta man steady, me nah back down. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. Babylon can't stop me, me out of sight. Herb make me see, herb make me bright. Rasta rising, me rise in the light. Me chant the rhythm, me chant the sound. Herb in the ear, the blessings surround. Rasta man rise from the lost to found. Me rise with Jah, me rise with the ground. Rasta rising, for Jah we stay.
Urban at the ear, the truth on display. Me chant the fire, me chant the way. Rasta rising, for Jah we pray. Me rise from the valley, me rise from the plain. Jah guide me steps, me free from the chain. Me burn the chalice, me rise from the pain. Rasta rising, for Jah we reign.
Sun kiss me skin, herb inna me palm. Today me win, the lion heart beat strong inside. Jah guide me steps, me nah hide. No weapon formed against me soul can stand. Me walk with love, with drum in hand. Bird them sing, breeze tell story. Rasta man live with Jah glory. Me no worry about Babylon news. Them confused, but Rasta choose love, peace, truth and chant. Even when system try to plant doubt in a brain, fear in a chest. Me inhale ganja and exhale rest. Me beat drum under mango tree. Call the ancestors, set me free. Lion heart in a morning light. Earth burn clean, me soul feel right. No stress, just your energy. Me live in a love and harmony. Yes, me chant and me dance all day. Give thanks for the Rasta way. From roots to crown, me stand firm tall. Jah lift me every time me fall. Me no need no mansion panel, just me hut, me spliff, me pot fi fill. I tall food bubble, spirit grow. Rain fall sweet, make me garden flow. Each step me take with care. Me plant seed of hope everywhere. From Kingston to Addis Ababa, me voice echo like Naya Bingi lava. Them ask me why, me always smile. Me say, Jah love, it stretch fi mile. Me say, no chain can bind me soul. Me freedom deeper than silver and gold. So me dance in a sun, chant in a night. Every moment sacred in Jah sight. Me no follow hype, me follow sound. Heartbeat rhythm, Zion ground. Lion heart in a morning light. Soul feel right, no stress, just your energy. Me live in a love and harmony. Yes, me chant and me dance all day. Give thanks for the Rasta way. From roots to crown, me stand firm tall. Jah lift me every time me fall. Me link with brother them in a hills. We sip tea, chant and catch them chills. Talk about prophecy, talk about life. Talk about how love cut deeper than knife. Some lost them way, some find them light. But Rasta man walk straight through night. The road rough, but me heart stay strong. Sing one love in every song. So when the day done and stars appear, me still hold Jah message near. Me light one spliff, me bless me bed. Jah protect me from dread and dread. Me dreams full of rhythm and flame. Me wake up next day and do the same. Cause me Them try to push we down, but we rise up still. The wicked them plan, but Jah work His will. Them a fight against the youth, them poison the stream, but righteousness shine like a moonlight beam. Me see the struggle, me see the pain, me see the people a crying at the burning rain. Still we not give up, still we fight. Jah light a shine and it shines so bright. Them build them city pon greed and lies. Them a hide the truth, but me see with me eyes. Them turn the people against them own. Them take the land, but them can't take throne. Me chant for the sufferer, me chant for the poor. Me chant for the youth we can't take no more. Me tell them hold on, Jah open the door. The blessings soon rain like never before. Oh, Jah lead the way, keep we strong night and day. No weapon rise shall ever stay. The righteous march, we never stray. Unstoppable vibration, we moving strong. Jah light in our soul, it a shine so long. One love, one fire, the warriors chant. Babylon tremble when we sing this song. The youth them tired, the world in pain. Them poison the food, them pollute the rain. Them make the war, them sell the guns, then act like them holy when the damage done. But me tell every youth, hold firm, stand tall. The system will shake, them a bound fi fall. Jah kingdom rise, me hear the call. Me spirit too strong, me nah stall. Them can't stop the truth, them can't dim the light. Me step like a lion, me move with might. Me chant these psalms, me sing all night. Me know Jah work soon make things right. Me see the change, me feel the shift. The people unite, them start uplift. Me send up a prayer, me know Jah hear. The victory close, it a drawing near. Stand up, me say stand up tall. Hold the faith, no make it fall. The fire blaze, me hear the call. Unstoppable, we break the wall. Unstoppable vibration, we moving strong. Jah light in our soul, it a shine so long. One love, one fire, the warriors chant. Babylon tremble when we sing this song. So me walk, so me chant, so me hold me ground. Jah blessings rain, me hear the sound. No matter the fight, no matter the wrong, Jah warriors rise, we forever strong. Them try fi out the fire, but it still a blaze. Them try fi hide the truth, but it shining at them face. Them build up system full of wicked ways, but Rasta never bow. Me stand up and me praise. Them take the land, them take the sea. Them poison air, them cut down tree. Them sell the youth, them spread disease. But Babylon fall, me guarantee. Me see the hunger in the street. Me hear the cry, me feel the heat. Me know the struggle deep, me nah retreat. The fire burn, me rise pon feet. The system set, fi keep we low. The media lie, them trick the show. Them sell we dream, them buy we soul. But me chant for truth, me take control. Them can't out the fire, it a burn from creation. Jah light shine bright, it a heal every nation. Me step on the battlefield, me chant me salvation. Me walk with Jah, me never need validation. Fire still ablaze, it can't cool down. The wicked get shake, them kingdom drown. The lion them roar, them take the crown. The system crash, it can't rebound. Fire still ablaze, me chant fi free. The people wake up, them sight and see. The Babylon shake, it soon a flee. The righteous rise, the victory. The wicked sit on throne, them laugh and boast. Them spread them war, them take the most. them tell we lie, them trick the host. But me bun them plan, me call Jah ghost. Me see the elders, me hear them say, this world can last another day. The signs are show, the skies them grey. The fire rise, the wicked pay. The message spread, the youths them know. The knowledge grow, the roots still show. The music strong, the river flow. The revolution hot, it can't move slow. Me chant for the weak, me chant for the last. Me chant for the ones we feel the cross. The fire still blaze, it can't get frost. Me walk with Jah, no matter the cost. The fire high, it never done. The heat intense, it can't outrun. The righteous move, the journey fun. The wicked drop, the battle won. Fire still ablaze, it can't cool down. The wicked get shake, them kingdom drown. The lion them roar, them take the crown. The system crash, it can't rebound. Fire still ablaze, me chant feel free. The people wake up, them sight and see. The Babylon shake, it soon a flee. The righteous rise, the victory. The fire burn, the light still strong. The prophecy talk, me sing me song. Me trod with faith, me march along.